Today's video is on showcasing two TYM tractors, a T474 HST and a T4058P. We took the 3-point hitch off of the T4058P and reinstalled the backhoe. Today's video is on digging a pit and moving dirt. This pit serves two purposes. Number one, to create a pit to bury some rotten stuff that won't burn and some other things. And part two is to use the dirt that will not be needed to refill the pit elsewhere on the Diamond H. Some low spots, some holes, etc. So we started out hauling dirt away from the pit that had already been dug, and I decided to why not video this. So I set the camera up and hit record, and later on in the video my son-in-law turns the tractor, the T4058, backwards and continues digging the pit while I continue hauling dirt. I rarely get to use both tractors in a video, but this was a prime opportunity to get that done, so it turned out okay. And we got lots of extra dirt. This is a clay base, a gray colored clay based dirt down here by my creek behind my house. We have like 4 or 5 different types of soil around here, from sandy loam to red clay to gray clay, you name it. The only thing we don't have is rocks. I was really surprised. We had gotten 8.75 inches of rain not too long ago, and I was afraid this was going to be too wet to even do anything with, but as it turned out, it was just right. Not too hard to dig, not too soft to dig. It was like the Three Little Bears story. Everything was just right. Anyway, thank you for being here and thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and that sure would help me out in the long run. Anyway, enjoy the video and thanks again for being here.